Hey, have you ever heard that you should not cry? That getting upset is bad? Or being angry is not right? What will people say? And then you start to behave in a different kind of way. In the very early years of our life, we start to perceive ourselves and the world around us. At a time when our consciousness had not even kicked in, we start to think if we are good enough, if we are even important, if we can get anything easily, or if we can do anything right. The programs that we download in the initial years of our life are not all positive. Some of them are self-sabotaging and disempowering. In the 24 hours time that we have, only 5% of the time we are running from our conscious mind, which is creative. The rest of the time we are on an autopilot. And this autopilot runs the vehicle, runs the body, runs the mind, and runs our life. This subconscious is where our beliefs are stored. This is the place from where we can change our lives. Not only can we stretch our lives and make it better, we can also enjoy more of the life that we already have.